Whoa!
Day 20! Let's go.
That was my line.
That was my line.
So anyway,
today is day 20. Welcome back to DIY Dave and Crew. I'm Nick.
hi, you messed up. That proves you're stealing lines. DIY Dave and Company.
You're stealing my line. DIY Dave and Company. I'm Nick.
I'm Dave.
Chris.
Chris Kringle?
No, just Chris.
Just Chris.
Something wrong with that boy.
He only has 4 more days to figure out his true identity.
Something wrong with that boy.
Yes, there is. So, in case you haven't caught it,
Today is day 20 of the Lego Advent Calendar.
well, enough said. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it. Chris.
Alright, today is...
Day 20 of the Lego Advent Calendar.
Okay, some of the younger people may not get this, but is he a broken record or what?
I don't know, man. Is he a broken record or what? I don't know, man.
Alright, moving on to day 20.
Day 20!
Day 20.
It's starting to sound like a broken record. Who's this?
You get to build another person.
You build Shirley Keeper.
Oh, Shirley! Shirley what?
I keep getting to build more people.
Shirley Keeper? Sit up. So, what does Shirley Keeper do, do you think?
She cleans.
You think she cleans?
She looks like a janitor.
Well, I thought we had a super duper pooper scooper for that.
She controls it.
Oh, she's the super duper pooper coop. The super duper pooper scooper duper? Driver.
You've been duped.
Oh.
Quick video.
Well, you know, some people will probably appreciate that.
Hey, the broom's upside. Oh, never mind.
She's using the broom to help sweep up the poop for the super duper pooper scooper. Okay.
And I'm not sure what this is. This looks like a drink for
wash away her sorrows.
for the stressful days. Not a joke for the kids to enjoy.
Oh. Okie dokie.
Oh.
Bottle slipped right out of her hand.
No, she tried to start a fight.
Told you it wasn't a joke for the kids to enjoy.
Well, anywho,
Passed out.
I think that day 20 is coming to a close because tomorrow's my turn, day 21. Wait, is that right? Yeah, day 21. Tomorrow's day 21. Tomorrow's day 21. That means after tomorrow, there's only 3 more days until Christmas night.
I don't think Shirley wants to drink that anymore. I don't think Shirley wants to even use it anymore.
It happened. It used to be
Poop on
cleaner, but now there's poop on it. Oh my goodness! Why did they put poop in the game of Legos? I don't know. Don't know. We'll see you guys tomorrow. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, please, 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 please subscribe.
And comment below somewhere. We like comments. I'm stealing lines.
Like.
Nathan. Like.
A comment. Subscribe.
Nathan.
Care to say that again?
Brandon.
They're not going to let me say any lines by the time we
You're
get
not
to
gonna let me
Christmas.
say any line.
Nope.
Nope.
Nuh-uh.
No way. That's my line.
Nope.
Bye.
Bye.
Potato chips.
Nathan.
Brandon.
Edgeworth.
I'm out of here. See you tomorrow.
Bye.